What's up, everybody? I've got a brand new game for you called Predict, and I am so excited because it is really fun. Check it out.
Hey, if you're new to our YouTube channel or you've been following along for a long time, one thing I know is that you want to put on an event that people love. So do we. So we have a ton of resources at elevate.tips for you to check out in the description below. So click that link and you can get those resources.
Now, here is how you play Predict. It's incredibly fun and super simple. It does require a little bit of homework of preparation though. But when you play Predict, there are two options of game style. You can either build it so that people are guessing which one is a top search result or which one is not a top search result. Let me explain. What you would do to prepare for this game is you would go to Google and you would type in a phrase, a beginning of a phrase. Like, for example, who is the founder of, and then you would leave it blank and see what Google has for the top search results. And then what you would do is you would put those options into a presentation like I have here for you. So who is the founder of Microsoft, Samsung, Google, or Netflix? And then your audience would guess which one is the correct answer. And then you would reveal it in a really fun way simply by having it in bold with maybe some green and some fun music and some excitement in chat. Now, here's how you can play it virtually with an audience. You can either have someone on video guessing the top search result, or you can have someone, everyone guessing in chat which one is the top search result. Or if you want a third option, you could build it into a poll type structure. So it is incredibly fun. Now, the same principles and the same rules apply for the other option of game style, which is what is the name of fill in the blank, but you would do which one is not a top search result. You just need to clarify with your audience which one you are doing. So for example, if you go to Google and you type in what is the name of, and then you leave it blank, you can see what Google has as popular options to search from. So what is the name of this song? What is the name of the Kingdom Entangled? What is the name of the national anthem? What is the name of The Bachelor? And the correct answer would be, what is the name of The Bachelor? Again, it is so fun and it's really easy to play. You can play it in person at your events, or you can play it at virtual events. It works with both audiences, and you need to make sure to have an animated and an excited MC host that is playing it. Otherwise, it's gonna fall flat. But I promise you, if you do it the right way, your crowd is gonna be engaged, they're gonna have a good time, and they're gonna participate. Everyone will be participating because everyone is gonna be trying to guess what is the top search result and what is not the top search result. Now, if you like this video, I would love it. I would love it, love it, love it if you gave us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and then click the little bell icon, which means you're gonna get notified every time we make a new video and it drops. And with that, I'm out. They see me rolling, they hating.